Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Stock number is 18F253A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Corolla on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.